ready for it. Get ready for it. Yeah, this is it. Go! 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 Yeah, this is it. Go! Go! Let's go! This is it.
To a girl that is full of hopes, and to the girl that is mapagmahal sa nanay, mga kapatid, mga pamangkin, sa family, sa mga kaibigan niya at sa Diyos. Scarlett, who would think we can still be friends after so many years that passed? From childhood and now to adulthood. All I can say is that I'm so thankful na nandyan ka, na nag-exist ka. I'm so proud of your existence. Nakita ko at nandun ako sa mga oras na nahihirapan ka. Pero you're so strong. Having that positive thinking that makes me proud. Sana we can still be friends until maging puti yung buhok natin. Hanggang sa ikakasal ka. Sana mabuhay ka pa ng matagal at matupad lahat ng mga pangarap mo in life. Thank you for all the memories we shared. Good luck sa college. I'm always here for you. Alam mo naman yun. Enjoy mo lang yung life mo sa pressure.
Wish ko lang sa'yo at sana makamit ko lahat ng pangarap ko dahil sa mga
Happy birthday. Thank you.